Welcome back to my channel. This is Nita B to come back at you. I wanted to do an unboxing for you. Again, another Coach bag. Yes, the new name of my channel should be Coach Crazy. I might actually change it to that, except for the fact that I actually have bags other than Coach. So I have to think of another name for my channel because I'm really crazy about handbags lately. But at any rate, this is a new bag I just got in the mail. This bag actually came from a company called Jonas. And, honestly, I don't even know how I came across them. Um, I've been buying so much stuff lately from Coach and just doing a lot of Google searches trying to find different bags. It may have popped up as I was looking for. Actually, I think that's what happened. I think it popped up. The website popped up as I was looking for this bag in particular after I watched a YouTube video. Oh, Lord help me. But about this particular bag. So this is the bag. I actually thought that these bags, like when it came, like Coach bags, when it came in like this type of plastic, that it actually came from the factory. But I don't think this was a factory bag. I know it's not a factory bag. This is an actual boutique bag. But at any rate, this bag is called the Metropolitan Tote. I believe it's a part of the men's line. And it's in the color olive. It looks kind of like a taupe to me, which is why I got it. I love, it's a very neutral color. I also got it because it has a zipper top. I'm very grateful that this secondary shopping site, if you will, shipped it correctly and that they actually shipped it with the handles up so as not to dent the actual glove tan leather, which is actually really nice. On the bottom it does say glove tan leather. This bag is a part of the 1941 collection, and we know that because it has the 1941 hang tag, which is really big. This is bigger than the bag I'm carrying today. Is the duffel. This is the large size duffel, 1941 in pebbled leather. And this tag is actually smaller than this one, which I wasn't expecting. I like that. Coach, I guess they make smaller size tags and bigger tags depending on the size of the actual bag. So that's actually pretty cool. So yeah, here's the bag. It does have the tag here. The retail price of this bag was $650. See if you'll be able to see that. $650. I got this from, this is made in Cambodia. I paid $220 for this bag. I think that was what I paid for it. I don't think they put, at least I didn't see any paperwork with this bag, which is kind of weird. It just came in a box. I don't even have the box anymore. It came a few days ago, and I'm just now having the opportunity to open it up and take a look at it. But this is it. Let me just kind of. I love that Coach does a really good job of packaging, wrapping their items so they don't get damaged in transit. I really do like that and appreciate that. There is like one little scratch. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in this light, but it's not even worth mentioning. The reason I got this bag, I wanted to get a nice work bag or even like a travel bag that had a zip top. I have several tote bags. Actually, I believe all my tote bags right now are from Coach. And they're all open top, kind of like the Neverfull. And I like the bag. I like to be able to throw stuff in there, but I would love to have something that I can actually zip up in case, I don't, because when I'm riding in my car, a lot of times my bag tips over, everything falls out. So I don't like that. Okay, let's see if I can figure this. Okay. So, Okay, so it has like two hooks on either end for a larger strap, which hopefully is on the inside of the bag. And this is my first time, obviously, opening the bag. It has a nice 1941 dust bag, which is awesome. And it's the right size, at least it appears to be. Lots of stuffing. And yes, I feel the strap when it's actually attached to the bag. I think I actually looked on eBay. I saw a couple YouTubers do reveals of this bag, and I just fell in love with the bag. One was a lady and one was a gentleman, and I'll try to link them below if I can figure that out. How to do that, but I definitely plan on keeping it, so I'm gonna just take all this out. I ordered this bag, I want to say maybe 4 days ago, 4 or 5 days ago, and so it came really quickly, and it was free shipping, and like I said, I believe I got it for like, it was under $250 for sure. And I don't think I paid taxes on it either. I don't know what this Jomas website is, but they have some pretty good deals. And I was a little bit leery because I had never heard of it before and I wasn't sure. But I read the reviews before I made the purchase and everything seemed legit. They had really good reviews. So here's the strap. It is like a canvas style strap, which is fine. Attaches here with the little hooks. Either side. The inside is, I wish it were leather. That's the only thing I don't like about the interior of these bags. I think Coach Craze, she was talking about this on some of the 1941s. How, I don't know if it was just 1941 she was talking about, but you know, they use this microfiber material and it's kind of cheap looking if you really think. I mean, it feels kind of luxe, but I don't think it really is. I would much rather have leather in there. Now, I know the concern with leather is that it's going to scratch, but I'm okay with it scratching. I think it wears better. I think it's easier to clean. Like if you spill something in here, like you would literally have to wash this, take this out and kind of try to wash it. So I would rather have leather. The first bag that I bought when I got back into Coach back in 2015 October was the Nomad Hobo, and one of the things that was really attractive to me when I saw that bag was it was a glove tan leather, but also the interior was leather, and it looked really nice, and it wore really nice. I still have that bag, but anyway, so it does have one large pocket here, and like one little medium size or like small pocket here. You can stick like pins, I guess, in that spot. And then on the other side, it has like a large slip pocket here. I think someone was saying, or they were saying you can put, no, I think someone said this is supposed to be for a laptop, but that's not large enough for really any size, regular size laptop. You can put an iPad, like a regular size iPad would fit in there, but not a laptop. At least I don't think so. It does have a zipper pocket on this side. And it comes with the Coach like care booklet. And then it has like the creed patch. Maybe I'll see what that is. So this is number L1922-55564. And it says Coach 1941. Now, okay, it does have like another little zipper section here at the top. You can just kind of stick, it's actually pretty deep. Like most of my hand fits in there vertically. So you can easily fit a cell phone, a wallet, anything you want to just kind of grab real quick. So this is awesome for travel or, just for for work in general. But like if you travel on the subway or something, that'd be pretty awesome to have that right there. So you don't have to open up your entire bag, but you still can have it secure. Um, so all the little zipper pulls say Coach New York. So this might be one of those things. And I'm not sure who was. I don't know if it was Coach Craze or who was talking about that. Um, I think it was Amy Elizabeth, where Coach does like kind of a hybrid of the 1941 and the another one of their lines. So I guess it's a combination of 1941 and the Coach New York brand, in that it doesn't have the typical textile material that you will see in the 1941 bags or pieces. So the typical lining for the 1941 is this sort of textile cloth material. And so this one actually has more of a, like I said, the microfiber lining everywhere. Like I don't see the other one anywhere. There is no outside pocket, and that's usually a deal breaker for me. However, because it does have this little, kind of like an outside zipper pocket that you can easily stick stuff in, because that's all I need is something I can just quickly stick some of my stuff in if I need to. I love that. Let's see. I mean, it's a solid bag. It's probably a good 3 pounds. Let's push this back so we can actually stand up and see, do some wide shots. So this is what the bag looks like. It actually does fit on my shoulder. Let me come back a little bit more. So that's fit on my shoulder. And that fit on most shoulders, I would think. Again, I love that tag. It's so nice. And then, of course, you can wear it shoulder strap. Now, this is a huge, it is adjustable, the shoulder strap. And so I would have to adjust it quite a bit. I'm about 5'3". Ooh. Size 12, 14. So that's about how it looks. This is huge. Definitely a man's bag because this strap is really long. But it would work really nicely for travel, for sure, and for work. Again, you can adjust this more, and I would have to. But yeah, if you adjust it like that, that actually works really nicely, and it feels really comfortable on the shoulder. So yeah. So this is my Metropolitan Tote, the newest addition to my family, my handbag family, if you will. I really like this bag. It is, like I said, from the men's collection, so it's definitely a bag that, even if I decide it's too big for me, which I won't, it's something my husband could use as well. And just like a quick comparison. So this is Metropolitan Tote, and then this is the duffel. It actually compares kind of nicely, but the duffel is definitely smaller and more slouchy. Now, because this is Metropolitan Tote is glove tan leather, I wonder how it's going to wear. Because I know glove tan leather really gets slouchy after it's been used a lot. This, of course, is a more structured bag, but I wonder about that. And it does have feet, which is totally cool. But yeah, I'm super excited about this. I really look forward to using this bag. I may even take it to work with me tomorrow. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.